The main idea of this video, if you work from home, work from home. I have this nice place, I have everything organized at my home, but I decided to go in the morning to the office. I didn't expect any problems. I left early before sunrise. It was enough cars on a highway. I could say it was normal until I got in a car accident. It was 4 cars involved. I was the third. 2 cars in front of me unexpectedly stopped. I also stopped my car, but the last car hit me in the back. My car moved forward and hit the previous car. So I lost like an hour while waiting for the police, exchanging driver license and insurance information, talking to the police, giving the updates, how it happened, like my idea. The good thing that I drive Tesla and it has all recording from every direction. I even invited a police officer in my car and showed him those recordings of the time of accidents. I think this is a good advantage of having a Tesla car. Of course, this is just the beginning of this headache. I filed a claim with my insurance company because of 4 involved cars. It could take a long time for investigation whose fault is this. I don't want to wait. I want my car to be fixed as soon as possible. So I filed a claim with my insurance company and will go in few hours to Tesla Collision Center. We'll see how it goes. What will they tell me? How long will it take to fix everything? I'm gonna have to pay my deductible with hope that whoever will be at fault of this accident has enough coverage to reimburse my insurance expenses, and the insurance company will reimburse my deductible in this case. We'll see. It could take a few months, and this is why I don't want to wait. And this is my car. This is how it looks like. Damage from the back and my front. Not that bad compared to other cars. So I've done what I could, and now with all these thoughts in my head, I have to go back to work. As you can see, I'm still a remote worker, so I'm back to my lovely home office. I don't want to leave it again to any office experience. So I'm gonna keep working, keep doing my regular stuff, and closer to the end of the day, I will drive my damaged car to the collision center. I will let you know how did it go. For my lunch break, I also have a plan. I want to install a new ceiling fan in my living room. It shouldn't take long, like 15-20 minutes will be enough, but we'll see. Okay, let's come back to work until the lunchtime. Oh no, I want to have a coffee, so 3 minutes coffee break. I hope it will help me focus not on my car or my ceiling, but on actual work that pay for all of this. Today I'm gonna have some espresso. I want coffee, something strong, and let's do this. I love what I get. It looks nice and it smells amazing. I believe the taste will also be good. And we are back to work, myself and my coffee. Let's continue. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna use this brake for my new ceiling fan installation. Let's go. Solid wooden blades. I love it. And here is my new ceiling fan finally installed. It's pretty big, 72 inches length of a blade, but it looks good in my room. At least I think so. I left my car at the Tesla Collision Center. They don't know yet how long will it take to fix, approximately 2 weeks, but who knows, because it can be much more damages than it visible at first. In the meantime, they gave me this rental car that I'm gonna drive for those 2 weeks. I'm gonna drive this Model Y until they fix my Model 3. The good thing here, it has full self-driving and free supercharging, even though I have charger at home, but I can save a few bucks on the charging. A little bit of sugar to sweeten my situation. Anyway, I hope to get my car back as soon as possible. I will have more details of when to expect my car back and how much will it cost on Monday or Tuesday. Now I can just wait and enjoy the rental car. As you can imagine, it was a hell of a day for me, but at the end, everything is good. I have a new life experience, I have a new ceiling fan, and I even have a new car, even though it's a temporary one. And I still expect to get my original car back. So I'm moving on with my life, day by day.